So Rocket Company's stock is still super new at the public market but was already able to perform incredible gains of up to 100% in one day along the way. And while still being at cheap prices, it recently got hyped up massively from Reddit. So what we are going to do today is give you an insight into what is happening to Rocket stock and break down exactly whether it is still a buy before today's earnings report at the end. And as the analysis in the video is absolutely crucial to consider before buying the stock, make sure to stay tuned. But before we jump right in, just hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, so in order to figure out whether Rocket Companies is a stock to buy at the end of this video, it's crucial to look at the company you want to trust your money with itself. And in the case of Rocket Companies, we are looking at the leader in the mortgage lending industry, going public last year. The company offers technological solutions for real estate, mortgage and e-commerce businesses. And it's important to know that Rocket stock has had a wonderful run over the last few months. After going public at $18 in August 2020 with a valuation of $35 billion, Rocket stock hit new highs in one day only. So while 2020 has not been a great year for IPOs, Rocket Companies is an exception. Nevertheless, it's currently down from those highs of $42 in March. And as it's crucial for our prediction at the end, we quickly have to talk about the reasons for the decline, including a sizable amount of shorting of the shares. So over the past month, the stock has been volatile. It is trading close to its March low, and it looks like the stock will remain steady for now, although it could hit $25 in the coming weeks. Taking a look at earnings, for example, Rocket's revenue growth is outstanding, and its 2020 revenue was already impressive. Its sales increased nearly 300% from $5.1 billion in 2019 to $15.7 billion last year. The company's net income soared 6 times in 2020 as well, coming in at $8 billion. Rocket's revenue is only expected to increase in coming years. For the fourth quarter of 2020, it reported earnings per share of $1.09. It is expected that the company will generate higher revenue and EPS during the current quarter than in Q4. Since being launched, Rocket's transaction volume has exceeded $1 trillion. Consumers appear to be satisfied with the company's business model and enjoy its data-driven solutions. But this isn't the only thing that makes the stock so interesting right now. Rocket, for example, also has a forward price earnings ratio of 8.47, while its industry's average forward price earnings ratio is 31.96. This shows that the stock is trading at a great discount. But before we can come to the prediction at the end, we have to take a look at dividends. So in February, the company paid a special dividend of $1.11 per share, and the dividend was paid out in March, so every single owner of Rocket stock has already benefited from the growth generated by the company. And while not all companies pay dividends right after going public, Rocket Technologies is in that category. So buying this quality stock on weakness could be a great addition to investors' portfolios. Its revenue is soaring while having a impressively fast increasing market share. Rocket's outlook is attractive, and it's facing only moderate risks. Given the company's unique way of approaching the market and its highly effective utilization of technology, it is very likely that the stock will soar. And if the Q1 results that are going to be released today beat analysts' average expectations, the stock will go even higher. Before we end this video, however, please let us know what you think of the stock in the comments and what your price target is, as it would be super interesting for us to hear. Alright, with that being it for today's video, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.